Hey foodies! Want to make your time in the kitchen faster, easier, and way more fun? I've got 30 genius Amazon gadgets you didn't know you needed, and they won't break the bank. Plus, there's one incredible tool near the end that'll totally upgrade your cooking game. Stay tuned. Number 1. Spring Chef Digital Instant Read Thermometer. Ever cooked a perfect steak or baked bread and still wondered if it's just right? Meet the Spring Chef Digital Instant Read Thermometer. This tiny device instantly tells you the exact internal temperature of your meat, ensuring everything is cooked to perfection every time. No more guessing or cutting into your roast and losing juices, just quick, accurate readings in seconds. Its sleek design fits comfortably in your hand, making it easy to use even in busy kitchens. The key benefit? It saves you time and stress, helping you avoid undercooked or overcooked food. Imagine hosting dinner parties with confidence, knowing your dishes are spot on. Thousands of home chefs swear by it, an essential tool for anyone serious about their cooking. Whether you're grilling, baking, or making candy, this gadget is your secret weapon for culinary success. Number 2. Tvmania Easy Release Silicone Ice Cube Tray. Say goodbye to stubborn ice cubes stuck in your trays. The Tvmania Easy Release Silicone Ice Cube Tray is a game changer. Made from flexible silicone, it allows you to pop out perfect ice cubes effortlessly, even if your freezer is extra cold or the cubes are stubborn. Plus, the silicone material resists odors and stains, keeping your ice fresh and clean. This tray isn't just for ice. Use it for freezing herbs, baby food, or even homemade popsicles. The non-stick surface means no more wrestling with frozen cubes, saving you time and frustration. It's a must-have for busy mornings or parties when quick, clean ice is a must. Home chefs everywhere love how easy it makes chilling drinks, making every beverage feel special. Number 3. Zulay Citrus Peeler and Separator. Juicing fresh oranges or lemons just got way easier with the Zulay Citrus Peeler and Separator. This clever tool features a built-in sharp peeler that effortlessly strips the zest and a separator that extracts juice without the mess. No more struggling with knives or squeezing by hand. Just slide, peel, and pour. The key benefit? It saves time and keeps your hands clean, so you can focus on creating delicious recipes instead of cleaning up citrus juice splatters. Plus, it helps you get the most flavor and zest from your fruits, elevating your cooking and cocktails alike. Chefs and home bartenders swear by this gadget, an affordable upgrade that makes citrus prep quick and fun. Number 4. Magic Bullet Small Silver Blender. Craving smoothies, salsa, or dips, but don't want a bulky blender taking up space? The Magic Bullet Small Silver Blender is your compact kitchen hero. With a powerful motor and sharp blades, it blends ingredients into smooth perfection in seconds, all in a sleek, small jar that's easy to store. It's perfect for single servings or quick tasks like chopping nuts or grinding spices. No more waiting for a large blender to do the job. This gadget fits right on your countertop and cleans up in a flash. It's a favorite among busy home chefs who want quick, delicious results without the fuss. Plus, its affordability makes it a must-have for small kitchens or anyone on the go. Number 5. Norpro Adjustable Rolling Pin with Thickness Rings. Ever wanted perfectly even cookies or pizza dough? The Norpro Adjustable Rolling Pin with Thickness Rings makes that a breeze. Simply set the rings to your desired thickness and roll out your dough uniformly every time. No more guessing or uneven layers, just perfectly consistent results. This clever gadget is especially handy for bakers who love precision or for beginners wanting to learn proper rolling techniques. Its adjustable rings mean you can make everything from thin pie crusts to thick bread dough with ease. Home bakers love how it elevates their baking game while saving time and frustration, making it a staple for anyone serious about their baked goods. Number 6. Basic Haus Reusable Silicone. Stretch lids, 7-pack, say goodbye to plastic wrap and disposable foil. The Basic Haus Reusable Silicone Stretch Lids are an eco-friendly, versatile solution for covering bowls, plates, and even fruits or vegetables. Their elastic silicone molds tightly around containers of various sizes, keeping food fresh longer. The key benefit? They're reusable, dishwasher-safe, and super easy to use. Just stretch, cover, and seal. Plus, they help prevent spills and odors, reducing waste and saving money. Thousands of home chefs love how these lids simplify food storage, making cleanup easier and keeping ingredients fresh for days longer. A simple upgrade that makes your kitchen greener and more organized. Number 7. OXO Good Grips 3-in-1. Avocado tool mashing, slicing, and pitting avocados. Just got way simpler with the OXO Good Grips 3-in-1 avocado tool. It combines all the essentials in one handy gadget. Remove the pit, slice through the fruit, and scoop it out effortlessly. No more messy, slippery avocados or multiple tools cluttering your countertop. The main benefit? It saves prep time and keeps your hands clean so you can enjoy guacamole or avocado toast faster. Its ergonomic design provides a secure grip, making even the toughest avocados easy to handle. Home chefs love how this tool streamlines their avocado prep, turning a sometimes messy job into a quick, enjoyable task. Number 8. Toadfish Compact Folding Cutting Board, Limited Counter Space. The Toadfish Compact Folding Cutting Board is perfect for small kitchens or on-the-go prep. Made from durable, knife-friendly material, it folds in half for easy transfer of chopped ingredients directly into pots or bowls. No more juggling multiple bowls or messy spills. The key benefit? It simplifies the prep process, keeping your workspace clean and organized. Its compact size folds flat, making storage easy, ideal for camping, picnics, or tiny apartments. Home cooks love its versatility and convenience, especially when preparing ingredients for busy weeknight dinners. It's a clever, space-saving tool that everyone with a small kitchen needs. Number 9. RSVP International Corn Stripper. Craving fresh corn on the cob but tired of messy, uneven kernels? The RSVP International Corn Stripper is your kitchen MVP. This simple tool quickly strips kernels off the cob in one smooth motion, saving you time and effort. Its sharp, sturdy blade makes clean work of even the most stubborn cobs, reducing waste and mess. The main benefit? It speeds up prep, so you can enjoy fresh corn in salads, salsas, or grilling recipes faster. Home chefs love how it turns a tedious task into a quick, satisfying process. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced cook, this gadget makes corn prep straightforward and fun, perfect for summer barbecues or weeknight meals. Number 10. OXO Good Grips Cookie Press with 14 discs. Baking cookies just got more creative with the OXO Good Grips Cookie Press. This handy tool effortlessly presses dough into perfectly shaped cookies or crackers thanks to its comfortable grip and sturdy construction. With 14 different discs, you can make stars, flowers, or classic rounds, perfect for holidays, parties, or everyday treats. The key benefit? It's fast, mess-free, and helps you create professional-looking baked goods at home. No more scooping and rolling, just fill, press, and bake. Home bakers love how this gadget turns simple cookie dough into delightful treats in minutes. Whether for fun or impressing guests, this press is a sweet addition to any kitchen. Number 11. Awinjoy Herb Scissors with Cleaning Comb. Chopping herbs finally can be a hassle, but not with the Awinjoy Herb Scissors. This multi-blade scissors quickly and evenly cuts herbs like basil, cilantro, or parsley directly into your dish. The included cleaning comb makes cleanup a breeze. No more struggling with tiny knife blades. The main benefit? It saves time and keeps your herbs looking fresh and uniform, perfect for salads, garnishes, or cooking. Home chefs love how it simplifies herb prep, turning a tedious task into a quick chop. Plus, it's compact, dishwasher-safe, and budget-friendly, and essential for every herb lover. Number 12. Baker Pan Silicone. Steamer basket for microwave steaming vegetables, fish, or dumplings has never been easier than with the Baker Pan Silicone Steamer Basket. Designed for microwave use, it lifts your ingredients above boiling water, steaming them gently and evenly. The key benefit? It's a quick, healthy way to cook without added fats or oils. Perfect for busy weeknights, this gadget helps you prepare nutritious meals in minutes. Home cooks love how it preserves nutrients and flavor while making cleanup simple. An affordable, space-saving addition to any kitchen arsenal. Number 13. OXO Good Grips Silicone Egg. Poacher, craving perfectly poached eggs without the fuss? The OXO Good Grips Silicone Egg Poacher makes it simple. Just crack an egg into the silicone cup, boil water, place the cups in a pan, and wait for fluffy, restaurant-quality eggs in minutes. Its non-stick silicone ensures easy removal without breaking or sticking. The main benefit? It's a foolproof way to elevate your breakfast or add a gourmet touch to salads and bowls. No more swirling water or broken yolks, just consistent, delicious eggs every time. Home chefs love how easy and quick this gadget makes breakfast prep, turning a tricky task into a breeze. Number 14. Rorina Stainless Steel. Manual can opener opening cans can be messy and dangerous, but not with the Rorina Stainless Steel manual can opener. Its sturdy, ergonomic design provides a firm grip, making it easy to open cans smoothly and safely. The key benefit? It's durable, easy to clean, and reduces the risk of injury. Perfect for seniors or anyone with limited hand strength. Home cooks appreciate how this simple tool makes meal prep safer and faster, especially when handling large or stubborn cans. It's a reliable addition to any kitchen toolkit. Number 15. Chef and Veggie. Chop Handheld Vegetable Chopper. Chopping vegetables by hand can be time-consuming and uneven, but not with the Chefin Veggie Chop. This handheld device uses a quick pull mechanism to chop veggies into uniform pieces in seconds. Just load your vegetables, pull the cord, and voila! Perfectly chopped ingredients ready for cooking or salads. The main benefit? It's fast, easy to use, and reduces prep time significantly. No more crying over a knife, just quick, efficient chopping. Home chefs love how it turns a tedious task into a fun, satisfying experience, especially when preparing large batches or quick meals. An affordable tool that makes vegetable prep a breeze. Number 16. Gorilla Grip Silicone Oven. Mitts handling hot pots and trays just got safer with Gorilla Grip silicone oven mitts. Made from high-heat silicone, these mitts provide a non-slip grip and excellent heat resistance, protecting your hands from burns. Their flexible design allows for easy maneuvering and better control when lifting heavy or hot items. The main benefit? They're dishwasher-safe, durable, and keep your hands cool and safe during intense cooking sessions. Chefs and home cooks love how sturdy and comfortable these mitts are. Perfect for baking, grilling, or handling hot cookware. A must-have for anyone serious about kitchen safety and comfort. Number 17. Pisol Stainless Steel, Citrus Zester, and Grater. Adding zest to your recipes just became quicker and easier with the Pisol Stainless Steel Citrus Zester and Grater. Its sharp, fine blades quickly grate zest from citrus fruits or grate cheese and spices. It's perfect for adding that punch of flavor to baked goods, cocktails, or salads. The key benefit? It's precise, easy to clean, and versatile, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. Whether you're garnishing desserts or enhancing savory dishes, this tool elevates your cooking with minimal effort. Number 18. Novart Herb Saver Keeper. Fresh herbs can spoil quickly, but with the Novart Herb Saver Keeper, your herbs stay fresh longer. This clever container creates a controlled environment, keeping herbs hydrated and fresh in your fridge for days. It's like a mini herb garden. Compact and size, easy to use, and perfect for saving money on produce. The main benefit? It reduces waste and keeps herbs vibrant and flavorful, so you can enjoy fresh herbs in your meals longer. Home cooks love how this simple gadget turns last-minute herb shopping into a thing of the past. A smart, affordable way to keep your kitchen stocked with fresh ingredients. Number 19. Tumo Electric Food Processor. Need to chop, blend, or puree in seconds? The Tumo Electric Food Processor is your new best friend. Compact yet powerful, it handles everything from making baby food to preparing sauces. Its one-touch operation and sharp blades make quick work of ingredients, saving you time and effort. The key benefit? It's perfect for busy households that want homemade meals fast. Its small size fits easily on countertops and is simple to clean. Home chefs love how it streamlines prep work, making cooking more enjoyable and less time-consuming. A game changer for everyday meals. Number 20. Bearpaws BBQ Meat. Claws. Shredding pulled pork or chicken can be a messy, tough job, unless you have Bearpaws BBQ Meat claws. These sturdy, heat-resistant claws turn your hands into efficient meat shredders, making pulled meats effortless. The main benefit? They speed up the process and keep your fingers safe from burns and cuts. Home barbecuers and meal preppers love how these claws turn a laborious task into a quick, fun activity. Perfect for barbecue parties or weekly meal prep. These claws are a must-have for meat lovers. Number 21. Emuji Adjustable Rolling Pin with Thickness Rings. Achieving perfect pastry thickness just got easier with the Emuji Adjustable Rolling Pin. Equipped with removable rings, you can set your desired thickness and roll out dough evenly every time. The key benefit? It simplifies baking, especially for beginners who want consistent results. Its adjustable rings are easy to attach and remove, making it versatile for all your baking needs. Home bakers love how it elevates their skills while saving time and frustration, an essential tool for any pastry chef. Number 22. Xylus Silicone Basting Brush Best. Basting meats or brushing pastries has never been cleaner or more precise than with the Xylus Silicone Basting Brush. Made from heat-resistant silicone, it's perfect for applying marinades, oils, or glazes without shedding bristles into your food. Its flexible, hygienic design makes spreading sauces smooth and even. The main benefit? It's easy to clean. Just rinse or pop it in the dishwasher, and it resists staining and odors. Home cooks love how it helps them achieve restaurant-quality finishes at home. Whether grilling or baking, this brush makes every dish look and taste better with minimal effort. Number 23. Farberware 5-Piece Measuring Cup. Set and accurate measurements are the foundation of great baking, and the Farberware 5-Piece Measuring Cup set makes it simple. Crafted from durable stainless steel, these cups won't warp or stain and feature clear, easy-to-read marking. The key benefit? Precise measurements lead to perfect recipes every time, reducing waste and frustration. Home bakers love how sturdy and reliable these cups are, an upgrade from flimsy plastic sets. Whether you're measuring flour, sugar, or liquids, this set ensures your baking turns out just right. Number 24. Juice Anise Stainless Steel Cherry Pitter. Removing pits from cherries can be messy and time-consuming, but not with the Juice Anise Stainless Steel Cherry Pitter. Its sharp stainless steel mechanism quickly and cleanly extracts pits without damaging the fruit, making prep much faster. The main benefit? It saves you from the hassle of picking pits out by hand, perfect for pies, jams, or snacking. Home cooks love how it transforms a tedious task into a quick, enjoyable part of their kitchen routine. An affordable tool that makes cherry prep simple and mess-free. Number 25. Alpha Grillers Stainless Steel Cross. Garlic press, crushing garlic by hand can be messy and smelly, but the Alpha Griller's stainless steel garlic press makes it effortless. Simply place cloves into the chamber, squeeze, and out comes finely minced garlic. No peeling or messy chopping needed. The key benefit? It speeds up prep, keeps your hands clean, and releases maximum flavor into your dishes. Home cooks appreciate how this tool turns a tedious task into a quick, satisfying process. Whether for sautés, dressings, or marinades, this garlic press is a kitchen essential for flavor lovers. Number 26. Sopito Silicone Baking Mats 5 PCs. Set baking cookies or roasting vegetables without sticking just got easier with the Sopito Silicone Baking Mats. These non-stick mats fit most baking sheets and provide a perfect, even surface for baking. Reusable and easy to clean, they eliminate the need for parchment paper or grease. The main benefit? They promote healthier cooking and save money over disposable liners. Home bakers love how they produce evenly baked goods with no sticking or burning. Plus, the set includes multiple mats for all your baking needs, making every baking session more sustainable and fuss-free. Number 27. Awin Silicone Clip. On-strainer straining pasta or washing produce can be a hassle, especially when trying to keep your sink clean. The Awin Silicone Clip on-strainer clips directly onto your pot or bowl, allowing you to drain liquids easily without transferring contents. The key benefit? It prevents spills and splashes, keeping your kitchen tidy. Home cooks love how easy it is to use and clean. No more juggling or risking burns. An affordable, practical tool that simplifies draining all kinds of foods, making cooking safer and more efficient. Number 28. Yukoi's Collapsible Bowl Silicone Steamer. Limited storage space, the Yukoi's Collapsible Bowl and Silicone Steamer combo is your space-saving solution. The bowl collapses flat when not in use, and its silicone steamer insert allows you to steam vegetables and seafood effortlessly. The main benefit? It's versatile and compact, saving cabinet space while expanding your cooking options. It's ideal for small homes, RVs, or anyone who loves multi-use gadgets. Home cooks appreciate how this set simplifies healthy cooking without cluttering their kitchen. Number 29. Joseph Microwave Rice Cooker. Perfectly cooked rice every time? Yes, with the Joseph Microwave Rice Cooker. This innovative container simplifies rice prep. Just add water, microwave, and voila, fluffy rice ready in minutes. Its vented lid prevents splatters, and the internal marks guide water levels for perfect results. The key benefit? It's quick, mess-free, and requires no stove or fancy equipment. Great for busy mornings or quick weeknight dinners. Home chefs love how it takes the guesswork out of rice cooking. A smart, affordable gadget that turns a tricky task into a simple, reliable process. Number 30. Our BBQ Manual Oil Sprayer. Adding oil to your pan or salad dressing can be messy and wasteful, but not with the BBQ Manual Oil Sprayer. This sleek, refillable spray lets you control the amount of oil you use, reducing waste and making your cooking healthier. Just fill it with your favorite oil, pump to build pressure, and spray evenly. The main benefit? It ensures a light, even coating on everything from vegetables to grilled meats, saving you money and calories. Home cooks love how easy it is to use and clean, an affordable upgrade that makes everyday cooking more precise and enjoyable. Thanks for hanging out. If these gadgets made your kitchen smarter, smash that like button and subscribe. And don't miss that last must-have tool. Trust me, it's a game changer. See you next time.